The things that I don't like is that some people look as different from them, but actually we can more have a talent than them. But sometimes I I present myself that if they can do, I can do. But only one thing I cannot do is that walking with them with normally. But in myself, uh, uh, I feel normal uh, doing like this, doing like that. Something that they can never do and I can do. Maybe better. Uh, Sometimes people say that it's better to live with outside outside then keep got some people to help you or something like that, that to help yourself rise. But me and myself, uh, ag- uh, me and myself, what do you call that, pursue o something, pursige para sa sarili kasi only myself can help me. I don't need other people to help me to improve myself. Okay, ma'am?